I'm Samin Kumar Sharma, Chairperson of Atal Hospital, Jaipur. And I have a special message, two-part message for you on the special occasion of World Heart Day, September 29th. As you all know, the heart disease is the number one killer globally and particularly so in India. In India, heart disease occurs at young age. People less than age of 40, 30 or even some 20s develop heart attacks, which is unusual, doesn't happen in Western countries, definitely happens in India. And you know that after heart attack, the life is totally devastated, life changes. Person who has heart attack will not be able to do what they were supposed to do. So people who develop heart disease, we all know, is the disease of negligence, not taking care of oneself. The risk factors are common, like the diabetes, high blood pressure, smoking, excessive use of alcohol, obesity, sedentary lifestyle. All those contribute to heart disease. And of course, if you want to avoid heart disease, take care of them. So it's very simple that those who take care of themselves has a less chance of developing heart disease. This year is a special message. Particularly, we are in a very unprecedented time of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has affected our life as a person, as an institution, as a country, completely. Clearly, the patients who have heart disease are more prone to develop COVID-19 complications, requiring respirator or even dying. So therefore, it's very important that patients with heart disease take extra precautions to take care of themselves and avoid COVID-19 exposure. Also, another part which we have seen, the patients who are heart disease and they have acute symptoms of their disease, but they don't want to go to the hospital or to the doctor because of fear of getting COVID-19 infection. So our message to all of them is very simple, that yes, if you have stable heart disease, your medical care can be deferred for months till the pandemic is over. But if you have acute symptoms, do not hesitate to seek for medical care because that is very important and maybe life-saving for you. So while we are struggling and fighting this COVID-19 battle, I urge all of you as a physician first to take care of yourself and the patients. Give them the best advice, best treatment. Secondly, as a public, be healthy, take care of your risk factors, and eat right. And of course, we have a lot of free time at this time with COVID-19, less travel, use in yourself. Be healthier, do yoga, do various exercises, and watch what you eat. And I guarantee you, all these factors will lead to reduction in the heart disease for years to come. With best wishes and good luck. The slogan this year has been that use your heart to beat the heartbreak. Thank you.